In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the parking lights on this Chevy Silverado. Let's get into it. Take these two pins out, you just roll them forward, just like that, and then grab them, slide those up, grab the front light assembly, just get it past. You can just slide that out for now. We don't have to take it out completely. And using a prying tool or a straight blade screwdriver, just push this little tab right here. And then you can slide the light out. Just push this light back in place for now. And this light slides right out. You can twist the sockets out if you want to replace the bulb. This is a 194 bulb. Just pull that out, push that back in. The next one, push down on the socket, slide that out. There's that little tab. It just twists. You can pull the bulb out. This is a 357 NA bulb, or an amber bulb. Just push that back in. A daytime running light. Just push down on the tab, twist it, slide that out. You can pull the bulb out. This is a 4114LL bulb. Slide that back in the socket. Take the new light assembly, we'll just slide the sockets in, lock them down, same way they came out. Lock it down, and twist to the right. I'll line this up. That lines up like that. And lock it in place. Now this light is lined up. Take the two pins, line that up, lock it down. Same with this one. Push it down, lock it in place.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.